Love this car, man. That sun is bright. Hopefully you guys can see, because I can barely see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a rainbow. That's so weird. Like the clouds are making a rainbow, and I've never seen that. That is beautiful. Is this gas? It's actually clean. Scrape. Ugh. Car is a little bit dirty. It's okay. It is 8:06. Just remote started the Camaro. I am about to drive home. I'm probably eat dinner, take shower. By then it'll probably be like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Wake up at 5 a.m. and do it all over again. It's always tough getting out of here because of this ramp. We're good though. The Camaro doesn't sit that low. There's a little back road somewhere around this area, if I can find it. I think it's after this light. There's this back road right before the highway that I like taking because there's usually not anybody on it, and it's fun. Highway's fun too, but I like going on the curves a little bit. My windshield, I need to wash this thing. It is so dirty. Yep. that's so unfortunate. Man, this car sounds beautiful. Oh my goodness. Just gonna park it here, head to the gas station, grab something to drink. But if you guys have made it this far, man, thanks for watching. I just love this car so much. So these guys just pulled up on me. This is Edwin right here. Hey, man. What's your dream car, man?
Dream car? I low-key want like a GTR, like R35, bro. It's
Okay.
so hard.
Okay.
And I want like a F-150 single cab.
Yeah.
Like, the engine.
Bro, the twin turbo F-150s are crazy.
I got F-150, but it's just an eco boost one, bro. It's not crazy.
You get there though, man. What about you?
SRT, Dodge Charger, you know me, baby.
Okay. Yeah, I like the Challengers a little bit better, just the body style, but the Chargers are nice too.
It's style, you know what I mean?
Yeah. They're powerful cars, man. Man, this is what I love doing. Like having people coming up to me and saying that they love the car. It's a dream come true.
It's sweet. I'm low-key like happy for you. I like seeing people, you know what I'm saying, like blessed.
Man, we're all blessed, you know, but this is just, I guess, physical proof. We're all blessed though. You know, this is behind the scenes, it's a lot of hard work, but you know, just riding, man. I'm not stopping here though. You got to see all the imperfections and dust and all that, but who cares, right? Who cares? Sorry if my hands are a little bit shaky. I got a little bit of adrenaline going through my body right now. I just love this thing, man. It's a beautiful car.